Let's talk about why investing is actually about your behavior, not your brains.
Meet Ronald Reed. He was a janitor who passed away in 2014 with $8 million in savings.
No fancy Harvard degree, no Wall Street job. He just behaved incredibly well with his cash.
His big secret? Just consistent saving, letting the magic of compounding do its thing over his lifetime.
It totally proves financial success isn't about what you know. It's all about how you act.
Okay, imagine you want a luxury watch. Do you steal it or do you swipe your card?
You swipe it, right? Because getting something really valuable means you got to pay the price.
Well, investing has a price tag too. It's called volatility, and it's just the fee for high returns.
Buying Netflix a decade ago would have made you rich, but could you actually stomach the ride?
In 2011, it plummeted 80%. That's a brutal fee, making you question your entire future.
Even boring index funds charge this fee, forcing you to watch your net worth temporarily tank.
Think about the Great Depression, World War II, or COVID-19. What do they all have in common? They were totally unpredictable black swans. Trying to predict the next market disaster is just completely futile. Instead of guessing the future, focus on building a strong financial buffer to survive those inevitable surprises.
If panic makes you sell and miss just the 4 best days, your long-term returns get completely crushed.
So why do pessimists predicting crashes sound like absolute geniuses, while optimists just sound naive?
Because sudden setbacks make terrifying viral stories. Real financial progress is super quiet and takes decades.
Biologically, paying attention to threats is an ancient survival trait that actually kept our ancestors alive.
But with investing, letting those ancient survival instincts run your portfolio will definitely cost you big time.
So will you let panic rob your future, or build a buffer and invest like the janitor?